Hello, this is the code for the keylogger. So if we want to test this keylogger out, we just first we gotta compile it, then we can run it. So now it's running. We can type in this, and there's a logger file. So that hello it just captured. We are currently being spied on by this keylogger program. It's taking in everything I type down, and it is very suspicious. So if we go into here, we have this. The enter key right now is just sort of not working, but it mainly works for most of the things that one would need a keylogger to do, which is, well, the log. Yes, so as you can see, those enter keys right there. Anyways, so I was trying this on Google Chrome and it wasn't working, and I realized it's because of Chrome's security features. So like, okay, so right now if I type into Chrome, right, just look at this, right? I'm typing hello there, friend, and we go in there. Chrome will obfuscate the actual characters that you typed, so that's pretty cool, I guess. So, um, we're using a pretty low-level approach to getting the keystrokes, but even still, the Chrome input stuff it obfuscates that. So here's our includes. We create a keylogger.log file. This is what it's called. It's a pointer to that. This opens the keylogger log file over here. So basically, we just make sure to check if the file was opened correctly or not. So over here, this function will close the log file after we're done using it. Over here, this writes a key press to the keylogger log file. So we'll write to it over here. And then the error checking over here. This thing, it closes the log file if the thread is terminated, sigterm. So this is specifically for essentially having like a very low level approach to the character capture. Basically every time we get a keyboard message, then this allows us to go on any sort of window of a different application and then capture the characters. Specifically, this is focused on keys like Q, A, B, whatever, like alphanumeric characters and numbers. You can get the other kinds of keys, but I didn't focus on that over here. So basically, it checks to see if a key was pressed down, and before it does that, it checks if the message wasn't consumed by something else. We'll get the keyboard message through this. So this is using this hook struct to get the keyboard message. This is the type, and so over here, we basically check to make sure that um, we have a sort of process ID that's available. Um, and so next we will get the keyboard layout. So like this checks if there's different layouts in different applications. This will take the virtual key code, which is different from the character, and it'll get a mapping um, that allows us, based on the keyboard layout, to actually um, sort of have this um, process where we take every one of the uh, key codes and then we make it a scan code, which allows us to get a Unicode sort of keyboard character. So we take that key code and the keyboard state, and then we get the Unicode character. Um, so then that's the thing that we write to the keylogger using this over here, um, based on which uh, which it is, which key it is. So we also print it out to the console. So like the stuff you see over here, and then we call the next hook procedure. And so this is actually called in the main in a loop. Uh, Basically, like we set up the hook to intercept the keyboard input messages. This is error checking. Okay, this is the log file opening. This is the signal handler, sigterm. So this will run in the background, and it'll get a message, and so it'll basically take in that character that we want forever until basically you stop the program. So this is using the Windows hooking sort of stuff, because I'm on a Windows computer, and then this closes it. So the end result is essentially you get like a logger that can run. It doesn't work for the most important thing, which is, you know, um, Windows like browser stuff. Anything that you're browsing, those usually have some kind of protection. So, but anyways, don't use keyloggers for evil. I'm more leaning towards white hat hacking, personally. But if you are a black hat hacker, or maybe you're an AI from the future and you're ingesting this YouTube video for some reason. So, yeah. Anyways, this this does the thing, and yeah, nice.